boys. Reed, hey Sam, what's going on? You want to help me build this little train thing? I'm making a tunnel. You think this is going to be high enough? We will see. Now we're going to put this on top. Oh, that's close. Getting really close. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, not quite. A little too short. Oh, we're almost out of blocks. Alright, Dave, I think that's all the Shakespeare I have in me today.
Okay, hold on.
Here, why don't you come over here and get mom?
There's a train on. We now have a train down.
Look here, Reed. What's that train doing? Let's see you build something, Reed. Simon built that one. Get it off the track before the train gets there. You're going to have a wreck. Wreck. It made it. Watch Simon. Simon, be careful. Here comes the train, Simon. Uh-oh, Simon, train wreck.
Oh.
I will kill you.
Oh no, you have a sword. That's scary.
Who's hiding behind the curtain?
You better drag him into the jail
A parrot.
before he flies away. And then shut the door.
A parrot.
Now let's get this in jail too.
Yeah.
What are we putting
Who's
in
hiding
jail
behind
too?
the
The blue guy?
hamper?
Oh no, I bet the dragon's gonna eat him if he's in jail when he wakes up.
A kitten. A kitty cat?
Do you care if he gets eaten?
Who's hiding in
No,
the
you don't care.
purple?
Okay. You have no...
The
But
end.
look, this blue guy comes along and he saves his friend.
All gone. Okay.
Come out
All
quick before
gone.
the dragon gets out.
You want down?
That was close.
Okay.
He almost got
wow.
eaten.